girl Zarina. Welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna be talking. I'm not making anything today. Today is the workstation. Today is me and you. Well, I'm sorry guys, I'm not making anything today, and that's because some of the things that I ordered are yet to arrive. Today I'll be talking about a few products that we use in promixing, what they actually stand for, what we use them for, or the work they actually do in a particular recipe. So and you want to stay to the end of this video because I'll be telling you what you need to know about this product. Let's get started. I have just a few products, about 3 or 4 of them, 5. So quickly I'll just share with you guys. So first on the list is this tiny little monster. I call this monster because as tiny as it is, it's very powerful. It's called miracle powder. Miracle powder is used in most of the recipes today to actually correct a particular skin issue. This is very good for dark spots. It's also used in clearing redness of the face. This small little monster, like I call it, it's a wonderful product, you know, and it's mainly incorporated with dry aloe vera and some other, you know, good herbal powders. So that's that about this little piece of thing. Very good product, as long as you get the original. Super effective. Now here I have Shenick. That is stage 1 of it, which is in blue kind of seal. This is green and this is oily in nature. The other one is watery kind of. And this product, most times you see it in your mixture. I'm doing this because of some people who come back to ask me, who bought my ebook, what is it used for? I don't know what it's used for. What is the work of it? So I'm here to clear that air. This, most times when you find it in your mixture, it's there for to correct issues for people who have green veins. This helps with green veins, helps with people who are suffering from white patches. It helps in white patches also, and it helps to clear scars and stretch marks, they say, but it could only help to fade it a little bit, but it really doesn't work for stretch mark, trust me. But for people who are having kind of strawberry legs, you know, those white patches that are just on the skin, this oil is super good for it. So they also say it takes care of varicose vein. I'm yet to find, you know, that out. Maybe I should incorporate in a kind of recipe for someone who has that and see what the effect is. But so far so good. My experience with this, it helps with people who are suffering from white dots, you know, those dots that are just on the skin caused by either cream reaction. Yeah, this is super good for it. In here I have the Shenick face. This Shenick face, because it has both legs and face, so this is the face. This is used mainly for people who are suffering from redness. If you're suffering from redness of the face, you might want to incorporate this in some kind of you know, products look for, or you can apply it just like this, just the way it is. Apply it on your face in the morning if you're going under the sun. This is super good for people who are suffering from red face, and it has sunscreen as well, and it contains 2% AHA. So that is that for this. It's also a very good product, as long as you get the original, because there's so many fake in the market. I don't know why people would do that. Now I have this little thing. The wrap is gone off, but it's called Perfect Face. Some of you are familiar with this. This is also like a spot corrector. If you're suffering from dark spots, you're trying to clear spot away from your face, you want to use this. But I don't advise you use this during the day because it contains some bleaching ingredients. If you want to make use of this, you want to use it at night. If you're incorporating it in a mixture, you make sure that mixture is supposed to be used at night because of the ingredients that is contained in this. If you use it during the day, it might cause you to burn and it would cause you to have redness. So, and it's not supposed to be used for a very long time. No, maximum you want to use this product is for 2 weeks. Then you make do away with it. It's not a product you want to use for a very long time. But is it effective? Yes, it is if it's used the right way. So I prefer you use this product at night. Don't use it during the day. That's all. You will see it in some mixtures. I don't want to spill right now because some of you didn't get my ebook. And the last on the list is skin free milk. Pardon, is the way the package did and brought here. Everything just went off. The skin free milk. Some of you have, this is a concentrate. It's a whitening concentrate, and it lightens on its own. But I'm not always a fan of rubbing industrial oil directly to my skin. You can incorporate this in your base lotion or your base cream with some other oils to boost its effect. It's also a corrector. It helps to clear dark spots, patches, age spot. This is very good for it, and it's a good concentrate. You can incorporate it in your sorry about that. You can incorporate it in your cream with some other oils to boost its effect. It's a very, very good concentrate. And among other concentrate, I find this the safest. This is very safe to use in most creams. There's another one like this called Skin Freedom. I don't have that. I will have showed you. When that product came out, it was good. But right now, if you're not careful, it will give you white dots. So I still prefer to roll with Skin Free Milk. To me, it's still the best. And now to this obonge, I don't know. This cream, the hype of it is just too high that I had to get it. And I used it. I used it on myself. And I'm giving you, I'm giving you guys my experience with this lotion. You can see I used this myself. You guys can see it's almost gone. I have just about 100 ml remaining in it. I don't really like the smell. That's number one. It's not thick. Number two, I prefer the carrot. You have the carrot of this. I prefer the carrot. The carrot is super thick, friendly with most serums. This is not. This is selective, just for you guys to know. And it's pretty expensive. I don't know why. The carrot is better. Use this. You need some tubes to, spunk to bring it alive. If you incorporate some kind of serums, it won't give you what you want. But it's a good moisturizer. So if you know how to roll with this, you want to try it. But if you want to mix it if you want to use it for a toning lotion, it's super good. You want to use it for a lightening lotion, it's selective. You have to know the oils to incorporate in this, otherwise it will give you other issues such as white dots. I don't know the hype about this cream. Maybe you want to just use it alone, use it as a toning lotion or a brightening lotion, then it's gonna work well for you. but if you want it super active, it needs a tube. So that'll be that about this video. It's a very short one. Hopefully next week I should bring you guys to my workstation where we'll do something very interesting. I don't want to say that on air, so you want to look out for my next video on Saturday. So guys, if you've been watching this channel and you're yet to subscribe, they know they collect money now. Just hit that subscribe button below and the notification bell beside it, so you get notified each time I upload a new video. Abba, click now. I'm waiting for you watch. Until my next video, stay healthy, live healthy, eat healthy, and I'll see you guys. Bye bye guys.